Imagine a one-of-a-kind beverage created specifically for your plants, acting as a powerful solution to boost their growth and strength. Watering your young plants with it causes them to grow stronger and healthier. It's as if they're receiving a powerful boost to accelerate their development. This mix contains essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all of which are necessary for plant health. However, things get even better. It also contains a rich blend of amino acids, vitamins, and hormones that help your plants grow optimally. Here's the most exciting part. This product can be used at any stage of your plant's life, from tiny seedlings to fully grown plants. Simply give them this mixture and watch their remarkable growth. It's as if you're giving your plants a powerful tool to promote unrestricted growth. This unique beverage is referred to as manure tea. Making manure tea at home is a straightforward process that results in a potent homemade fertilizer for your garden. To begin, you'll need approximately 2 kilograms, 4.4 pounds, of fully decomposed manure. Place this manure in a breathable cloth to form a sack. Then fill a 5-gallon bucket with 10 to 15 liters of water, preferably rainwater if available. Submerge the manure sack in the bucket, making sure it is completely covered in water. Place a loose lid on the bucket to keep insects out while allowing air to circulate. Allow the bucket to sit for 1 to 2 weeks. The longer it steeps, the stronger the manure tea will be. After 2 weeks, take out the manure sack from the bucket. You're left with a nutrient-dense liquid fertilizer. Before applying the manure tea to your plants, dilute it by combining 1 part tea with 10 parts water. This dilution ensures that the tea is gentle on your vegetables while still providing a nutritional boost. Manure tea contains essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are required for plant growth. It also contains a wide range of micronutrients and beneficial microbes that promote soil health. These microbes can improve soil structure, allowing plants to better absorb nutrients and water. Using manure tea in your garden provides numerous advantages. For starters, it promotes healthy plant growth by supplying nutrients on a consistent basis. Second, it promotes soil health by introducing beneficial microbes that improve nutrient availability and soil structure. Finally, manure tea improves the overall fertility of your garden, resulting in healthier and more productive plants. To summarize, manure tea is an excellent homemade fertilizer that is simple to prepare and extremely beneficial to your garden. It's a great way to recycle manure while also naturally improving soil and plant health. If you found this guide useful, please like, share, and subscribe for future gardening tips.